Which steak is better, a reverse or a regular sear steak? Let's find out. I'll be cooking one the sear way and one the reverse sear way. Just so there's no confusion, I'll use a toothpick to mark the placenta for this experiment. Set the placenta on the side and let's work on the reverse sear. It's called a reverse sear because when you cook, that reminds me, if a forest falls near a tree and nobody is there to hear it, did it actually fall? The steaks are done, now let's compare. Notice how they both look like steak. And this one has a toothpick. Also notice they both can be cut with a knife. This is a good thing. Now for the taste. First I'll try the placenta. It tastes like steak. Now for the reverse sear. Wow, that's good. It tastes like steak. Is it worth the extra effort? Probably not.